comes.
I need Kleenex.
Oh, I'll get you a Kleenex. Can you keep hitting the ball? There you go. Here's your Kleenex.
I just seen
Look down between your legs. Look down.
Let's do it again. It's right behind the iPad. Oh!
Are you ready for it? Do you have your hockey stick?
Here's my hockey stick.
Oh, go get it. Shh. Julie's sleeping, remember? We gotta have fun but not be loud.
But I need more space.
Oh, you need more space. Okay, I'm ready for you. I'm ready. Go. Try again. Oh, it's under there. Here it comes. Here it comes.
This is the tail. Remember?
Okay. Say bye-bye, Auntie Jen.
Bye